Hello future tech leaders, I am Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
We have started with Email Studio and we are here. What we have done yesterday, we have done list, primarily all subscriber lists. Today we are going to do recap of all subscriber who will create our own lists, not all subscriber. All subscriber contents, all of the entire subscribers in the system, in server, all information. Many users have been created. All of the information is showing here. Now we want to create our own lists. Yesterday we have gone to some details. We are going to start the lists. Let us create it. We are starting from here. Lists, we want to create our own lists. We are going to create our own lists from all subscribers. For that, what we need to do, we need to create. To go to left side, it is my lists. I am creating my list. First, I am showing you I have created first. I need to create a folder. Need to create a folder because I need to create first. I have created a folder and inside folder I have created a list. Inside folder, we have created a list there. This is the section I am going to repeat again for all of you. How to create lists. Click here, click new folder. The moment new folder, you need to scroll down below. You will notice it is showing here. I am creating, suppose the folder name is 001. First, we need to create a folder. We have created a folder. It is a folder has been created. What is the next steps? We have to create it is a by default is an attributes are showing here. Scroll down. Next, what we have shown yesterday, we can create a record manually. We have created record manually. We have created a record. We have created a list inside the folder. Suppose I am creating Amazon Customs. I am creating external ID to automatically set up. It name description, name plan. No problem, click on save. It creates a list. Inside the list, Finally, I create a folder and it is a folder name and it is a folder. It is a created Amazon Customs. Now we are going to create records. We are going to create records. Click. We can create that. Next, click Finish. Use that tool from if you want to create another subscriber. Finish it. Let come inside it. After these steps is clear to everybody. Yesterday we have also done. I want to hear from all of you. These steps is clear. Please everybody respond in voice. No doubt. I'm not able to get anybody in voice. Am I audible to all of you? What is? This is the subscriber we have created. But what we learn now, another things, we will create import data because generally in the business data we do import. This is the data we have created manually. Now we are to do import data. We are going to learn import data. For import, we are creating an Excel sheet. We are creating an Excel sheet here. Let us create it. This is an Excel sheet with contents of data. It can list content multiple data. Save it. It is a comma separated file or CSV file. It is a comma separated CSV file. Now this data we want to import. We want to import. This is the two reports are here. Now I want to import here. Here click Next. Steps 1. There is an option for FTP. Everybody noted your computer. From my CSV file in my system I can upload here. I can browse file, but if it is some remote location we can do the FTP. We can see V. And here update option, add new subscriber and update subscriber that already exists. Add new subscriber or update subscriber that already exists. Add new subscriber but not update subscriber that already exists. Update existing subscriber but do not add subscriber that do not exist. First, we are going to first option select. This is the CSV file. Do next. We need to do mapping. Some name it is not matching. Subschematically it is matching. How to use the Excel sheet and what is the destination it is matching. We need to map email address and this email address. Click on map. Click on map. Next first name and this first name. Need to map Excel sheet value. Source. This is a source. Source from CSSV file a destination in our lists at the field. Click Next. What it is showing, it is a upload source data template.csv. This is from source. Format CSV data format. Email address and mapping. Subscriber key mapping and first name mapping. This is the three mappings. It is a input and output, both left side and side mapping. 3 row, 3 records. 3 column. If you email me upon insert sometimes if it is a large data. If it is a very large data, it will take to process. In that case, you can give the email aid. It will get the notification when it will be complete. The advisable date format because I saw like some English or something. It is a CSV file. We are using the default English format. But usually in Salesforce data loader cause some issues like we have to put some specific date format. Is the same like in here. Like to, are you recommending like to put like a default date format for when we put? We can give the format as a date. We can try. We can try with one letter. Now if you notice here, what we have done. This data has been imported from CSV to here. It has been, data has been. These are the two records. Initially we have created manually. But rest of the subscribers data, it has been uploaded from CSV file. Can you tell me how does your questions regarding date fit? Can you click the import? Let me first go to the Excel sheet. Yes, tell me. Just add one date like put like a birth date after the first name. No, in the title, Add in after first name. Another column birth date. And then you can put like Amma, ma'am, D, Y, Y. In that format. Ankit, what you are following like a first one next month. Let me check. I need to check it here. Another one. Can you click that cell number DD2? We have to check the format in the Excel sheet itself. See, click. Format, click. Format cell. Now go to custom. Last one. Here. Fine. This is like it's showing like English United States. Fine, meaning its month date being D, Y. We're asking this is if you want, because Salesforce default format it will support like a DD meme Y, because sometimes we are facing issue in the data loader. I just wanted like just to check with you, like if we upload like MMDDIY, is it uploaded in the same way in the marketing cloud also? That's what can you. We can do first experiment, keep default format, whether we can check, and then we can alternate also. What we can do import. Add new subscriber and update add new subscriber. I think third option update existing subscriber, but update which is already some record already this to the operating and new sub. On the code I have given you, it is a part option. Now it is coming. Yes, now we have the same source and destination. We have the same value. If there is mismatch, like suppose if you're adding like a email underscore address or email something, how we can drag and drop here. No, you know how we'll do map and math. Mapping like now, you have both side. You have the same value like email address. Email address sometime if you try to import. Is it different? If it is a matching already, then it will be depleted. Come and now we can do the mapping play. Do we here? Can we drag and drop? No, there is no drag in. It is a map. Options are here. Map options are the data but like this. Now it has added one new record. This is a new record added and others all date of birth we can check. Date of birth. It has been added, but it's converted in different format: day, month, and year. It is a default timing. It's skip that all cool. We need to do format change also. Basically, this is a date time format, date month format. This supports like a DDMM. But if we import itself, if we change the change that local, can you click the import again? You don't want to insert, just to click on. Just click the import. Here there is option in the drop down. Here date format option is there. Date format. Click this one like UK. UK. Before the United States. English United Kingdom. Exactly this the format. But are we adding new? Same before. Here data format is showing the questions. It is not changed. The format is, but I think that if we want to display different format, there should have some options will be there on data type. If you go to get file management, get a bird. This is showing different value. This is the format is 1 month MDDY with this is. It is in a month date, yes. Can we change the data type for this? Let me check. Order maybe. Date type, data type. Mendeley. Not getting to change. I know. We can put add and then I think I get here. Noodle. Like this maybe only B. I don't know. Do not think we'll be growing more and John, think we will have sometimes this change your hand. Remove values. It is already values. Are there data? Then Nankit Levik, you can tell in the next class like if he had answered, please. Thank you. Because here default values are there. It removed default values. In that case, we can try. But try this time without values put only. Now we have given DT. Let me check. Otherwise, space between value and mem. Now tell me what you're suggesting in values. No, it is not accepting. I think she was saying put value space. And then like this she was saying yes, maybe it will work because there is a space between this. No, it is not. It is not. Anyway, that too. How do we have created which today we have released and we have done input? Click on. Now we are going to click on subscriber. We're going to start here and subscriber, click on all subscriber. You are getting all subscriber, all information here. Next quarter, we're going to put it. We're going to create a click on my list. Click on my list. We are creating our custom lists. The left side, there is a folder called lips. First you need to create folder. Steps 1 need to create folder. My list, click. Clicking your mouse. Click in your mouse. You'll get it. Click your mouse. There is a new folder options. Here's new folder and you need to click on the below. Just scroll down. Just scroll down. You will notice a scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. This is highlighted. Now we give the name, rename it. You can give it You can give it custom name, whatever we wish. You are creating a folder. Training. Is this fine? It's fine. Now click on this one. Now click on this. Left side you put my list. Now at present no subscriber here. What is the hands-on now? Now you can create 2 subscriber by manual. First you create manual to subscribe. And if before creation give a name, suppose you are Flipkart customers. You can give the name Flipkart customers. You're giving the name of the list. You can write a little bit lengthy name. That's a no problem. Name checkbox is like publicly. It will be automatically selected. You just click on the same. It is automatically. It will check with this. Just click on the same. It comes to that now. It created the least action. Now click on it. Now you need to create your now left side. There is a create option. Click on create. Click on next. Given subscriber key. You can any name you can that should be unique, but you give it. If it's genuine duplicate, it will be given hints to you. I mean, why does it say here in Mail Florida? Is it like a kind of default? No need to bother about this. Already exists. You need to change the substrate. When you can find out who is the existential, you can change something different way. You can write some character. You can give the beginning that it will be automatically unique. Click on finish. Can I select this one? It will give the another option. Oh, got it. Get a new another subscriber. Oh, I think I went back. I can answer like this one now. It is, you can answer it. You can keep it. When we are creating a list, there is a checkbox called public list. What is this? Public list means public list. Can you create one? I want to check. Tell me how I do. Give the name. Another subscriber thing. click Finish. It will be automatically selected, which is your current list is selected by default. A new data from the previous subset. Create another server. You are not creating. You can finish it. You can click on Properties check and click on Properties field. It is an external ID is automatically generated. It is a 3 records subscriber and subscriber. Now, this is the one way we are creating the subscriber manual. The next, how do you learn? We'll create an subscriber. We'll import subscriber. What I've done, do hands on. Go to your desktop. Create a CSV file and create a CSV file in your desktop. Yet, minimize it and minimize it. Minimize this browser and go to Virtual System Desktop. You're writing a name, email, and the subscriber tree. You can write subscriber key, data path, three, 4. You're going to give the another value as a city and get another one city. Write some record. Check here something. My question is, you are doing your local machine and you are because you need to. I do not know whether it will be able to drag and drop your remote system. You need to do. I can just click browse and upload. I don't know whether it can. You can move it or not. It will say movable or not from the remote, local to remote. I have some doubt. You can check it at the beginning where the file is able to move from your local to remote. Let's check. Otherwise, you need to do in remote system desktop. Good. Let me check. I'll just try with these two. Whether it is possible to move. We need to create again. Otherwise, I think you will not get. Oh, because it is your computer. It will not get, but it is not in this version machine. Oh, like how do I bring that here? That is a challenge. Can you minimize this? Can you minimize it? In remote MSTC, open the full screen remote machine. This is your local machine, personal machine, but you need to. You are working in the remote system. Go to Remote System Desktop, Remote System Desktop. You minimize the browser here and can minimize the browser. Your remote system desktop is not showing. Are you asking this one? I am asking for him when we're going to the MSTC. MSTC. Then you are getting then it is in the remote system. There is a desktop. Like, how do I check that? Everybody needs to do it. Unless you do not do, you'll be. Otherwise, when 4-5 session will be happening, you'll be lost. It will be not feel comfortable. You can search which folder you have created. SMC training and customers. Now, please call in both. Agree. Click on next. Taking a bit of time to load. The desktop. You can click on next. Now you need to map. First is the name field. You can need with the past. Click on map. Email. You can map with the email address on top. Click on map. City already mapped. City already. It is coming in city already default map because your both of them name is the same. It is. That's the reason it is in. Now click on next. Finish. And data has been exported. In other tools like MailChimp, other tools we can't like add the same email ID 5 times. It says duplicate and it automatically removes by itself. But how in Salesforce, it is allowing us to update the same email ID 5 times. Here it is a unique things is happening. Subscriber ID. Here it is. It is a we can do filter. But here it is allowing, it is a unique is the subscriber key is unique subscriber key and ID is internal every record. There is ID. These are the two things. Even we can also look at later. We can also make it unique. Also, we will do it. We can doc set up that proper criteria. Also, if we check box with this link, then it will be duplicate, will not allow, but here by default it is unchecked. It's good. This way, each and every participant, you need to do hands-on. Authorize. If we go to the next steps, you will be not able to catch unless you do not feel it, will be able to get its. You're getting confident now. Yes, it's good. I mean, when we practice, it makes us better. The things is generally what happened. I want to share my experience when majority of that training, what happened. Trainers continuously give their sessions but finally do not make the participant to make the hands-on similar equal time. That's the reason. Session can be in the stipulated time. But the problem is that from my exposure I noticed that it is a session and participant also not followed. They lost in the middle, but I follow the different way. Every session I make the on participant. Hands on. It take time, but it will be the value of the action. What is the suggestion for everybody? I mean, all of you do not want to proceed more because each and everybody have to do the practical people. Do not do the practical hands on because after 3 sessions, when I will be this data extension, you will be lost it. You will be not able to grab it. No hurry up. All of you. Please follow up the customer support team. Definitely. They are 24/7 active. They will be assessed you and make your system ready. How do you have learned here today? We have learned lists. Next topics. It is a list we have done. We have created leads and next we want to create the groups. How does the groups think about when you are in school or college? Sometimes in our class, we are supposed to have 40 students, but our teacher divided in a during project in college time, we have to do the project. A project 40 students cannot do the project together. What teachers does they make the 5% team members? 5% team member and they chosen one project. What is the concept of group? Group means what are some similar identifications of these 5% is doing the student management project. These 5% are doing shopping cart project. These 5% are doing library management project. This is the concept is when we have some similarities. Here, concept of group. We want to create group here. I have created. If you minimize it, that is it. Like my list we have created. Now we are creating the same click first. You need to click first. Click and first create a folder. First create a new folder. It will be create a folder. The moment you create your folder, I have created a folder. I have created a folder. In this folder, click here. I have created a folder and here I want to create a group. I want to create group. A group means it contains 5 subscribers. I am creating a grouping of them. I am creating a group and different sections. How we want to create groups? There is a click on the side. Go to create. Click on create. First is the filter group and second is the random group. Filter group. Suppose I want to create filter group with a project. Who are library management project doing? I have to create a group. Who are shopping cart project? They are another group. Based upon some criteria, I am creating a group. First option, suppose I am giving it. From whom my list is. I have created a list. Today I have created a list which contains 6. I have created. This is my list. From these lists, I want to create the next section. Click here. Select source. It says from which source I am taking the subscriber. Subscriber is the source. Click on. Select the data source. Inside it, here I have a data source. Click on. Now inside here we need to create filter. Filter, we need to create a filter. It filters drag and drop. Suppose I want to filter with a city. Suppose I want to filter the city. This is filter. If city, I want to make the filter who are the customers there. Suppose city is in Bangalore. Bangalore. Now save and build. Now save and build. Now I have created name. Bangalore. At present, it will not get data because there is a reason, because of part of the data input in my lists. It is a source. What is the source of the group? Group is a list, is a source of the group. It is a supply source. It will not get data. It is trying because we need to update the city value. And if we give Bangalore some city, it will be, data will be fetched here. Let us do it. We'll go to here. This is the source of this. This is the list source. This is the list source in my list. And I have used this. Here we want to update some city. When you want to update, this city will update. One thing we can do from Excel sheet to green update the city. City Bangalore. And with import degree. And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.